So guys, what we have here is EURGBP. Now take a look at this EURGBP. We all can see one movement starting with our daily time frame, guys. So daily time frame, we are above our 10 period moving average. This moving average you all can see is 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading with 10 period moving average is that once the price is above 10 period moving average, we are to go long. But if it is below, then we are to short. So price is above 10 period moving average, so we should go long. Now secondly is that on this daily time frame, we are on an impulse movement upward. We can see this impulse movement here, then we add a pullback here, another bullish move that was made here, then a pullback was made here, then we add another bullish move right on EURGBP, then a pullback was made here, then we had this huge impulse move, guys. After this impulse move, then it was pullback here. So now that I believe that the pullback is over, it has actually dropped to this previous level here, which I believe it is over. So what we are expecting next is another bullish move again. So, and if you to look at this GBP, let's see correlation pairs. What's correlation pairs on GBP? Let's see GBP. I think GBP on our GBP USD. I think yes, GBP USD. We can see on this GBP Swiss franc we are on a drop, right? So I mean, if you look at it on our GBP USD also, you can see that GBP USD2 is also giving us that drop. You can see this bearish move. So definitely, if that GBP is actually doing us that drop, then we should be seeing a bullish move on this our euro, since we are trying to compare it trade to our GBP. So this euro GBP, we should continue to go bullish. I believe the pullback is over. So once the pullback is over, we have to go bullish. Now to actually take this trade, right, we would have to roll down to this 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame, we would want to trade it like this. Let's take here as the resistance level, and we would take here as the support level. The reason I said is that we saw the price came to this level, right, and it's rejected, came to this up level, which we take this up as our resistance level. Then it actually came back close to this level, which is our support level, and it roll up again, hit this resistance level, right? Then we saw this huge whip that dropped to the support level. Now we are seeing it roll up to this resistance level, guys. So for this 4-hour time frame for the day, we want to see this price come to this resistance level. Then after the resistance level, then we're very much likely to get a drop again on our GBP and EURGBP. So once we have this drop on our support level, then we should actually see it rally up again and possibly break above it, then come back again and test the level. So GBP, EURGBP on the 4-hour time frame, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So on the 4-hour time frame, what we are clearly seeing on EURGBP is the price is ranging. So definitely we should range with the price on EURGBP.